Let's go over how to install and use MTR. MTR is a network diagnostics tool. We use MTR to see the network traffic between your system and the server hosting your files. MTR can help pinpoint where traffic is slowing down or getting lost. First, you'll need to install the MTR tool. To download, go to github.com/white-tiger/WinMTR. Scroll down and click the View All Available. Then under Assets, click WinMTR-v100-static zip. If you're on the Edge browser like I am, you'll see a save option at the bottom of the browser. Once saved, open the folder and extract everything. Then double-click and run the WinMTR 64 application if you're on a 64-bit Windows like I am. Once the application is open, no need for fancy pseudocode, just enter the domain you want to connect to and hit start. Let the MTR trace run for about 10 to 15 minutes. When needed for a support issue for your account, paste the results into an email and send them to support@exavault.com. For more great tips and how-tos, check out our other videos or visit our support page. Thanks for watching.